CGTrader is a platform for buying and selling 3D models and other digital assets, primarily used by designers and artists. If you have earnings on CGTrader and want to withdraw money, the process involves the following steps. Log into CGTrader, access the CGTrader platform and log into your account. Access earnings or payout section. Navigate to the section that deals with your earnings or payouts. This could be labeled as earnings, payouts, or something similar. Check payment options. CGTrader typically provides options for receiving payments such as PayPal, bank transfer, or other methods. Choose the payment method that suits you. Enter withdrawal details. Depending on the selected payment method, enter the necessary details. For PayPal, this might be your PayPal email, while a bank transfer may require your bank details. Specify withdrawal amount. Indicate the amount you want to withdraw from your CGTrader account. Review and confirm. Double check all the withdrawal details for accuracy and confirm the transaction. Check withdrawal status. Monitor the withdrawal status within the CGTrader platform. Processing times can vary depending on the chosen payment method.